Hey guys, I've been here with another video, this time sort of a serious and annoying video. If you're subscribed to Tyflosion, or if you like them at all, well, don't like them. They're total retards. They said they had some Tyflosion explosion, important news, and then Donnie and Jaime walked off and tried to talk about me, where they kept butting in so that Jaime couldn't tell Donnie the important news. So yeah, unsubscribe to them if you're a subscriber. Do all you can to prove to them that they shouldn't be mean because they're being total jerks. And if you're a subscriber to them, try subscribing to me because I actually have better videos than them. They kind of suck. So yeah, you can do that. And so all my videos, I'm going to start off saying Tyflosion sucks. And so yeah, that's all the news. Bye.